Do you want to know how you can enter your date of birth on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enter your date of birth on Frollo. So go ahead and open Frollo, which is on your phone, and enter your postcode, passcode, or use your biometrics. Then Frollo will open up. Go ahead and tap on your profile on the top left hand side. You can see the birth year. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see that you can enter your date of birth quite easily. So you can use this format over here. So after you're done, go ahead and click back. Or you can just use this option and you can see your birth year has been changed. So guys, it's quite simple. All you need to do is open Frollo, go to profile and tap on birth year. You can only write down the birth year. You cannot write down the month and the date. So you can write down the year of your birth and click on the tick mark and your year of birth will be updated. So guys, this is how you enter or change your date of birth on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.